Hi, this is Karthik Mandani here for BCS 236. Today I'm going to do my lab experiment number 1 of case 2's lab, that is to draw a use case diagram. So basically now use case diagram is a diagram which tells us about the relationship between the actors and the systems which are inside a system boundary. So as you can see, we have a boundary. So this it's a system boundary in which we have functions, or you can say activities like register, login. So and these the particular attributes or actors which you can see are known as actors, which are outside the system boundary, which will tell us how the system will interact with the particular use case. So this is a use case. So this is my use case diagram for e-learning experiment number 1. So I'm showing the stimulation or the kind of working which will be done by the actors in e-learning through a use case diagram. So first there is register. These all are my use cases. So initially the student has to register. So register is included in login. So a particular student who has already registered will log in with the correct password. So enter password or login. So this is a comment which I have included for login part. Enter password or login. If the password is wrong, it will again go to the particular again login. So if he has not registered as register is included inside login, so he will have the option to register also in the particular window. So it will be like new user, please register and set the password. So then the login. So as soon as he logins, the student will be able to access to the dashboard. So the student can interact or use the dashboard use case. And in the dashboard, as you can see, we have included details. So the particular details are of two types: the personal details and academic details. So as a personal details, as you can see in my Karuna, the personal details basically include the phone number, parents name, and all the personal stuff. But as when compared to academic details, the academic details will include all the things like CGPA, grades and everything. So these are the two kinds of details which are included in a particular detail. So you can imagine that we have a detail, in that we have a drop down which will have academic details or personal details, and the user can view through his or her dashboard the particular things. Now the student can do payment. So any payment which has to be done for any courses or any program conducted by the university or any institute, so we have given a payment option which can be interacted by the user. So user will have payment. So user will have different subjects of a particular course. So if he is doing a computer science course, or he is doing a 10th board preparation course, or 12th board preparation course, or he is doing an MBA course, he will have particular subjects. So all these subjects will be included in the course. So as you can see, the subjects had been extended from courses. So particular attributes which are defined in courses will also be in subjects. So in subject we have assignments. So for every subject we will give the assignment and evaluate accordingly, and which will give us the grade, and which will be displayed as a detail. So in every subject will give us every subject will have assignment. So assignment will be included in subject. So this was all the use cases, particularly we can say of a student. So all these use cases made for students. So student will interact with all these use cases. Now we have teacher. Teacher will have the access to quiz. The student has to give the quiz to get the grade. So our teacher has the action or the relation with quiz, as it will set the questions inside the quiz and set the time for the quiz as well. So then the quiz will give us the results. So the result is extended from the quiz, and it's a generalization symbol in this picture, like time will be set in the quiz, the grade will be calculated, and every grade or every CGP or every percentage or every marks of the quiz will have a backup that will be only accessible by database admin. So only database admin can access this, and then the result will also have a backup. So only any minor or major change in the result will only be done by the database admin, not even by the teacher, because a particular calculation will only be edited by the database admin. So this is the particular typical diagram for use case, as you can see, for creating an e-learning based platform for students. So this was my experiment number 1 to draw the use case diagram. Thank you for watching.